how to do or how to add flash effect on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can do or add the flash effect on your video on CapCut. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your CapCut application. You should get a piece like this, right? You want to simply tap on new project and you want to add the video that you wish to add the flash effect on. I'll just select this particular video, and once you select the video, what you want to do is at the bottom you can see various options, right? You want to simply select the effects option. Once you select the effects option, simply tap on video effects, and once you tap on video effects, this option should pop up. Now it's taking some time to load up. What you want to do is you want to swipe to the right and you want to select the option that says light here. You can see light effect. Once you select light effect here, you should be able to get the flash option once this loads up. Now let it load up. It's taking quite a bit while. It might depend on your internet connection. So you can see here flash option. If not, you can scroll down and you'll be able to see. You know, simply tap on it, and you can simply tap on it if you wish to adjust, and you can adjust the speed from here, and you can tap on OK. Now you can select the part that you wish to add the flash effect up to, and you can select its time from here, and you can see the flash effect will be added. So this way you can add flash effect on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.